Hi friends, Christy here from makingitinthemountains.com, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own scented candle. Welcome back to my channel today. Thank you so much for joining me. There is nothing I love more, especially through these cold winter months, than lighting a candle in my home. That flickering glow and the beautiful scent it fills our home with always makes our home feel cozy and inviting. Now, candles can be really expensive, especially a clean burning candle with soy wax and scented with essential oils, but I cannot wait to show you how simple and inexpensive it is to make your own DIY scented candle. So let's get started. Now, it doesn't really take much in terms of supplies to make your candle, but I will be sure to leave a link to all of the supplies you need in the description box below. The first thing you'll need to do is fasten your wicks to the bottom of the container using some wick stickers. Then you'll want to make sure to use some sort of centering device to keep those wicks centered when you pour in your wax later. As you can see here, I like to just wind them around a pencil. The next step is to pour the wax pellets into a microwave-safe container. You can melt the wax in the microwave using short intervals of about 30 to 60 seconds at a time. Make sure to give it a good stir every time you pull it out of the microwave. Now, as you can see, I'm just using a measuring cup and a spoon from our kitchen. They wash up perfectly when I'm done, so I never worry about using tools from my kitchen to make my candles. Once all of the pellets have melted, you're just going to give the wax a really good stir for a few minutes, watching it thicken up as it cools. Once the wax has cooled to the consistency of molasses, you can stir in your essential oils. Now, I added about 20 drops of essential oils per pound of wax used. Then just slowly pour your wax into your candle vessel. Your candle will need about 48 hours to cure and set before you can light it. Once it's cured, you can trim your wicks down to about 1/4 of an inch before lighting. Honestly, there are so many reasons to love making your own candles. You can choose the prettiest containers, use your favorite scents, and trust that they are clean burning and not filling your home with harmful chemicals. On top of that, you are saving money and being environmentally conscious while doing it. Best of all, now you know how simple they are to make. I hope you're feeling inspired to try making your own candles too. Okay friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up below, and of course subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. Thanks so much for watching.